safe.
All right. So 3 cars down, and I think we're all in agreement that reality is not nearly as exciting as an action movie. I know, I'm just as disappointed as you. But this, our 4th and final car, rigged with 4 gallons of gasoline, some explosives, and wireless trigger. Once it starts driving down this ramp towards this abyss, we're going to trigger the explosion that we want. My prediction, mayhem.
Mayhem? For sure. But Frank runs a tight ship. It'll be controlled mayhem. And on cue.
Okay, Hollywood-style car crash.
All the systems are in place.
3,
But any second,
2,
some real Hollywood action's gonna happen.
1.
Hopefully, right in front of me.
Golly. Success with the final test. Perhaps Adam and Jamie should think about a career in film special effects.
It looks like it worked.
The launch was the most beautiful one yet. The tumble was magnificent, and the explosion was all Hollywood. Nicely done.
Cool.